Hey guys, Writing Gaming here, and today I'm going to show you how to get a tempo underwater in flooded valley. So let's get started. I'm just gonna do this on sandbox mode just to show y'all. So what you want to do is just get a 400 tempo on the left side of the flooded valley. Then you wanna flood the valley. So in order to do that, you have to click 5 times on this side and 5 times on this side. Then you have to click both buttons and then this will open. And now you just remove. And while you do that, you click undo it. And then, as you can see, the tempo did not sell, and you have a tempo in the flooded part of the map. So I'm just gonna send out like some balloons, as you can see. He can still attack them, and he's in the water, so you cannot place anything else except for water towers. But it's a pretty cool feature. So yeah, that's how you get a tempo in the flooded part of flooded valley. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Bye.